Good morning, hospitality students and professors. So today I share as career talent manager of IHM Gurukul will help you to cover all about kitchen costs, the training program to manage your food cost. It is divided into different days. We have covered different sections of that. You can go through each of them in 10 sections. The first is the duty and responsibilities of CDPs and DCDPs, the standard recipe to maintain, and which are the food cost of local ingredients you need to maintain for your cooking skills. The next is the how to calculate your food cost with different formulas with different layers we have mentioned in detail of yours. And then we have also attached a recipe costing guide. You can download it on your mobile and you can use the same format for your recipe costing. The next we have covered the what is the meaning of food cost and how to save it, which are the measures we have for hotels, resort, cloud kitchen, QSR, and other outlet types. For different formulas you can calculate it differently, and you can also have a different ways of how to save it by taking suggestions of your employees and as well as having new ideas experimenting each day. The next is the kitchen SOPs master checklist for different formats used at restaurants and hotel kitchen for smooth operations. We have attached the master checklist for food business. It contains the attendance training sheet with the designation name, signature of each employees and the remarks. Plus we have the daily wishes report, food testing report, and the cleaning checklist for kitchen. In that we have the storage containers clean, so storage cabinets rack clean, walls clean, drains clean, fillets of exhaust hoods clean once, work tables are clean and sanitize, all equipments cleaned and sanitized. And other we have the room temperature record log in morning, afternoon, evening and night, plus signed by the reviewed cook and the head chef. The cold room temperature record card of morning, afternoon, evening and night with the signature of the reviewer. Plus you can have a note on each of the description that is used different temperature record card for different freezers. Time and temperature are criteria of 2 hours to be followed. Any abuse of time and temperature should be reported to the concern immediately. It mean that you need to maintain different track records for different freezers, and at least you need to have the criteria of 2 hours to be followed, time and temperature criteria of 2 hours. So, and the abuse of time and temperature means if there is any glitch and if there is any difference between what is the actual record and what is the temperature that is the freezer is showing, it should be reported to the immediate concerned authority. The chiller temperature record card, that is for different durations of the day. Cleaning checklist for garbage storage, the floors and walls are clean, temperature is recorded, all the areas sanitized, door and door handles are cleaned, garbage are clean, and time monitored by and documented by which the person of the staff. Preventive maintenance record, vehicle cleaning checklist. We have the points like temperature received before transportation, swept floor with and without food particles, white inside walls with damp duster, floors are washed with soap solution, checklist for any diesel, chemical and unwatered material that is not stored. And there are so many different checklist types and the cleaning records in the master checklist food business. You can check out that in more detail here. And we have the all about kitchen hygiene, which is the most important video for your kitchen hygiene stuff. So you can also note that for this is a food production area, which are the food hygiene policies to be maintained, the uniform, the grooming section, the habits and the pre and post cooking policies you can note down and you can create your own for your restaurant. The next is the inventory part of yours, which is the inventory to be maintained and with at which time you need to have a more inventory at different seasons. And the next we have the store intent. We have also attached a small report of that which is covered in this video in detail, and of each ingredient of which are the ingredients and the food portion quantity. We have mentioned the business plan calculator and food business plan calculator, how to take the monthly cost of your project and the restaurant name, 6-month budget, actual cost, and what is the time to update it. We have different particulars here, the cloud kitchen takeaway for organizations, professional services, interior finishes and equipment. So it's a total detailed report. You can have a detailed look at that for your cloud kitchen type and your or other outlet type. Next is the startup growth plan. We have the restaurant name with GST, VAT or phone number The estimated investment of yours required from your side of different kitchen utensils, security deposit, rent, and other particulars like projector, inverter, AC, printing and packaging, billing, marketing, etc. So you can have your own numbers as per your investment amount. Daily reports samples we have attached as a PDF document for your reference for food cost, non-food cost, total non-food cost, and the wastages, the other issues of HR and maintenance. The last is the usage of chemical in rooms and kitchens. So we have mentioned different chemical knowledge for training is the main training for DCDP and CDDP position. So you can watch all that if you are having a dream of, means if you are of your next goal is to upgrade in the DCDP role, you can have this video in more detail. And if you are facing any payment issues in enrolling in this food cost all kitchen food cost program, or if you are confused between which diploma or degree to choose, you can contact us on the same WhatsApp number if you are which is attached in the description box. If you are facing any other issues, you can comment below and we will help you clear them. Thank you.